Hi, James here with SuperBrightLEDs.com, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to link and install our seamless LED light bars. To connect these light bars together, simply unsnap one of the plastic end caps. Now you can click the two lights together. You can repeat this process to reach your desired length by connecting up to 10 lights. Now we can connect the power adapter wire, which is included with each of your lights, by snapping it in place. It's now ready to install. Since these light bars are magnetic, it makes them very easy to snap in place. If your application does not allow for a seamless install, you can use this interconnect cable to connect the lights. For more information on this product and available accessories, visit us at SuperBrightLEDs.com. LED lighting for everything.